Can you clean tenanted properties that are going up for sale?
Yes, we specialize in Presale cleaning for tenanted properties, and we know how to handle the added complexity with respect, professionalism, and attention to detail. If you're selling an investment property with tenants still living there, we communicate clearly with your agent or tenants. Work around existing furniture and belongings. Clean all visible surfaces, appliances, and floors. Address high-impact areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and windows. Keep disruptions to a minimum and always clean respectfully. We also offer touch-up cleans between open inspections, final vacate cleans once tenants move out, light rubbish removal, or outdoor area freshening. Selling a tenanted property can be sensitive, but our team knows how to work discreetly, professionally, and fast to make it shine without alienating your tenants.